Hello, good morning students. Now in this topic today I am going to tell you the properties of addition. We have already discussed how to do addition. Now let us discuss and let us see some properties of addition. Let me start one by one. The first property of addition says that if 0 is added to a number, then the final value remains same. So this is our first property, that when 0 is added to any number, the final value remains same. For example, if I am adding 20 plus 0, you know that the final answer is 20 only. If I am adding 4,564 with 0, then also our answer will remain same, 4,564. So this is the first property of addition. 0 added to any number and then the final result is still the same. Second property, if 1 is added to any value, then it gives the successor value. Now, taking the example for this, suppose your number is 20 and if I add 1 to this value, so 20 plus 1 gives us 21. And also we can say that 21 is successor of 20. Similarly, if it is 4,564 added with 1, so what will be the result? We will get 4,565. And here 4,565 is actually the successor of this value. Clear, students? Now students, our third property. The third property of addition is if any two numbers are added in any order, then the final result is same. So if we add any two numbers and whatever their order is, in any order, then also their final result is always same. For example, if I say that I am adding 18 plus 22, or if I add 22 plus 18, both the cases, 18 plus 22 or 22 plus 18, in both the cases, the final result for these two values. Can you tell me what is 18 plus 22? Yes, the answer is 40. 18 plus 22 is also 40 and 22 plus 18 is also 40. So this is our third property of addition. Any numbers are added in any order, then the final result is same. Similarly, our fourth property, if any number, or you can say if more than 2 numbers are added in any order, then also our final result is same. Now, let me take the example for this. For example, your value is 12 plus 16 plus 20. So suppose this is our first order. Similarly, the same value, I will change the order of it, and can I write it as 16 plus 12 plus 20, or I write it in this format 20 plus 16 plus 12. So I have written these three different values in these three different orders by changing their place, by shuffling their places. So what is the answer? What is the final result for all these three cases? Let us see. 12 plus 8, 16 plus 20. 12 plus 16 gives you 28 plus 20 gives you 48. Here 16 plus 12, again 28 plus 20, the final result is 48. In the third case, 20 plus 16, 36. 36 plus 12 is again 48. So you can clearly see that even if I have changed the order of the number, still our final result is same, and that's our property. Now, before ending this session, I would like to mention two more things. That is, you can give it as number 5. This is not a property, but you should know this term. Like if I am adding two values, suppose I am adding 300 plus 200. So what will be the answer for this? The answer is 500. Now, when I am adding these two numbers, 300 plus 200, we do not call them just numbers. We call them addends. These are also called as addends. And the final result which we get at the last is called sum of the numbers. So this is called addends and this is called sum of the numbers. I hope this all topic is very clear to you all. There will be no doubt to you all. Thank you.